So for 51, the first thing I'm going to do is, look at these dumb brackets. Man, it's making everything look complicated. Let's get rid of those. Natural log of x minus 4 natural log of x plus 2. I'm distributing it. I'm going 4 times that natural log. Actually, that's a negative 4, huh? And then negative 4 times that natural log. So we get negative 4 natural log of x minus 2. All right, we got rid of those dumb brackets. Now we're trying to condense it. We're trying to make this look smaller. So what can we do? I know that when we're subtracting logs, we can divide what's inside. But you see this 4 right here? We can't do that unless there's nothing multiplying to this natural log right here. And there's other ways to get rid of this, but the most simple, less writing way to get rid of that 4 is to make him an exponent again. We're going to do the same with this 4 right here. So now we just have natural logs all by themselves. Now it says minus. So what does that mean? What do we do with the things inside of those logs? What? You can't distribute the negative because these are inside the log, and so anything outside can't touch it. Think opposite distribution. We can only do that. Okay, like you're trying to distribute a log. We can do that when it says natural log of xy. I can rewrite this as natural log of x plus natural log of y, or natural log of x divided by y. This would be the same as natural log of x minus natural log of y. No. Because you're saying because this is plus and this is minus that these are going to cancel out? Nope. These are inside the logs, like I said. You can't touch them. Unless you have a property. There's a cool property going on right here. You see this minus sign? You see these 2 logs? You know what that means? That means we can do this. Natural log of x divided by x plus 2 raised to the 4th. Shebang-a-dang. Look at that. Now we have 1 log gone. Now we just have to get rid of 1 more. All right, let me keep going now. I'm going to continue going backwards because I see this minus and because I see 2 logs. I'm going to combine those logs and I'm going to take what's inside and I'm going to divide what's inside these logs. So that's kind of weird. How do I divide by this? What? It goes like this. X plus 2 raised to the 4th. And I'm going to divide that by x minus 2 raised to the 4th. Now, if you're dividing with a fraction, what do? Yeah, that's right. Multiply by the reciprocal. So this is the same as saying x over x plus 2 raised to the 4th power. And I'm going to multiply this by 1 over x minus 2 raised to the 4th power. So what is that going to look like when I'm all finished and all said and done? Well, we got our natural log right here just chilling. On the top we have this nasty x thing. Actually, the bottom part's the nasty part. We have x plus 2 raised to the 4th. And then x minus 2 raised to the 4th. Yo, that's hideous. We can actually simplify this because this is a really, really challenging problem. We can say that this equals x squared minus 4 raised to the 4th. Which makes it look a little nicer, but that is pretty still nasty. Now, I went one way to solve this. There's other ways to solve this. Some of you guys, maybe you would have went inside here and condensed this first. Ooh, let's try that. All right, let's try that. Let's simplify the inside part first. I see 2 logs and a plus sign. What do we do with the stuff inside? Yeah. So we go x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's like a difference of squares. So you get x squared minus 4. If you're not sure how I got that, write it out on the side in the margin and work it out. And then we just have a 4 out in front minus. Oh, wow, this way was way better. I should have went this way first, huh? Okay, see this 4? Pop them. And what do I do with these 2 natural logs and this minus sign? You write the natural log once. And what do I do with what's the stuff's inside? I divide them. Hey, check that out. No, I did. Because remember how I simplified the bottom a little bit? Yeah, this way was way more simple. But that's the crazy part with these properties. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Hopefully you find the easiest way for you, but just don't break any rules.